Yo, what's up, crypto community? It's your man, Mr. Solution. So, on today's episode, I'll be walking us through how to purchase coins on spot markets, to buy on spot. A lot of persons have been asking. They really do not know how to purchase any coin on spot because all this while you've been trading futures. So I'm doing this video as a guide to help you know how to purchase coins in spot market, particularly because of the listing we are expecting tomorrow. That's Bonfida token. That's their token is FIDA, that is getting listed tomorrow in FTX as well as Bitmax and then Serum. All right, so because we've been trading on FTX, I decided to do this video to guide us so that once they get listed we can actually hop in on time, depending on what we see, depending on the market condition and all that. Okay, so I'm putting up this video to guide you and also give you an edge over some other persons who do not know how to purchase on spot, who do not know how to buy on spot market. All right, so currently I'm logged into the website. I'm logged into one of my accounts, as you can see, and then this is the home page, and then we can see the various markets available. We have futures, spot, stocks, leverage, tokens, volatility, prediction, fiat. Okay, so we're gonna move from futures to spot because that's where we'll be purchasing. Okay, so instead of the normal futures we've been trading, we're going to be moving on spot. Okay, so once the coin that's Bonfida, that's FIDA, please, FIDA, that's the symbol FIDA. Once it gets listed, probably we might be having two pairs. That's it might be paired with two, either USD or USDT, either USD or USDT, whichever one it is, preferably USDT. We have a USDT pair of that FIDA tomorrow once it gets listed, that tomorrow being 22nd. All right, so okay, assuming now that this is the FIDA, this Ethereum USD, assuming this is FIDA, so what we have here is FIDA/USD or Ethereum/USDT. so we have here is FIDA/USDT. all right, so we are just hypothetically stating that this one is FIDA. Okay, assuming that the FIDA has been listed and we have this pair here. All right, so for us to purchase it, for us to buy, remember we're already on spot. We are not on futures, we're on spot market. All right, so assuming that this is this FIDA now, go right ahead and click on this, then wait for the page to come up. Okay, we're waiting for it to load. Okay, you can see that it loads, and then we have the chart here. We'll have the chart depending on the time frame we'll be using. I would want us to buy it on time, but then we have to look at what BTC is doing. If BTC is going down, we have to wait a little. Okay, so overall what BTC does to a large extent we determine if we are going to hop in immediately, or maybe you have to give it some time for it to discover, for markets to discover it. Okay, for it to discover the actual market price. So we wouldn't really be in a haste to hop in, but then we should keep some cash handy, because like I said, what BTC does, we to a large extent determine if we are hopping in immediately or if we are calming down to allow the market to do its thing. All right, so now we've seen the chart. The next thing is for us to go down. If you're using the PC, fine. Okay, we go down, and then we see the various prices here. We see the various bits and ax. Okay, bits means buying price, ax means what? Ax means what? Selling price. All right, so bid means buying price, ax means what? Selling price. Okay, so we see the various bits here, that bits, the various prices that people want to buy. Then we see the ax price here. The ax, that's the various price people want to buy. Then probably after we must have analyzed, because as it is, we might be using a lower time frame so that we can have a better grasp. We will have enough data. It's going to be a newly listed coin, so we might not really have enough data to extrapolate and then judge if it is going to be okay, if the price we want to buy is okay. So we'll be limiting our chart, probably be limiting it to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, but then this is not a financial advice, please. I'm not a financial advisor. I've never taken any course on financial advice, so just know that what I'm doing here is for entertainment. Please do not take it as a scholarly view. All right, I'm not a scholar. Just see it as a guide, but then take it with a pinch of salt. Do not swallow it hook, line and sinker. Remember that only you can manage your money more than yourself. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I've never taken any course on financial advice. All right, so then after we must have done our analysis, probably we think the coin is good, probably we've looked at the white paper and all that, and we feel the tokenomics and every other thing surrounding it is okay, so it's something we can buy. All right, so we then go down, assuming here it's let's say it's selling at $2, then we go right ahead and place and put $2 price, $2, and then drag it whatever amount, maybe whatever amount we have here. Let's say we have $200 or $50 or $20. All right, so that means if you're buying $20 worth of feeder tomorrow, it will be giving you how many? It will giving you 10. You'll be having 10 tokens, okay, 10 pieces of feeder tokens, right? So you go right ahead and click on buy. That's it. So if eventually gets to 2, assuming the price is at 3 and eventually falls down to 2, you go right ahead and buy. Alternatively, you could just buy and put your take profit at the same time. If that's what you want to do, then you would want to click on this very place, would want to click on this icon, then click on it, then you see change this market to what? To limits. Change it to limit, then put your buy at 2, hypothetically 2, then take your profit. Probably want to take profit at 100% or 50%. If you're taking at 50%, that means we should be having here, we should be having 3 here. All right, so then you go right ahead and buy, and then you're selling at this. Okay, so it's showing us this error now because you know this is Ethereum. This is not the price. That's why it's saying it's showing us here should be higher than market price. Okay, so but then if this were to be the feeder we are talking about, we would be having this kind of error, right? So then let's say you're buying at 2, you want to sell at 3, and then you want your stop loss to be at probably 2 points. You want it to be 1.80. Put your stop loss there, 1.80, and then you go right ahead and click on buy. All right, so that's just how to go about purchasing on spot market. Let me also take it again for clarity purpose for those who do not thoroughly understand. Let's use another coin here. Let's use link EOS. Yeah, that's better now. I think it's within the price range we'll be working with, right? So EOS, and then we want to buy EOS USDT pair, or probably no, let's use EOS, okay, not perpetuals, please. Okay, want to buy EOS USDT. Let's go back to market once more. Okay, EOS, we're buying EOS this spot, please. Remember to go to spots, don't go to future, spots. Okay, so let's look for EOS USD EOS USD. Okay, we could work with Serum. Okay, we have Serum USD. That's still within our price range. Okay, so click on it like that. You know, we are using USD per right now. Okay, so you must have done your analysis and all that, and you feel is okay to buy. Whoo, got this massive dump. Okay, you feel it's okay to buy, and then that it's gonna go up. That's for the feeder. Remember, we are working with feeder, we are not working with EOS right now. Okay, so the current price is 1.064. assuming this is the feeder right now, and then we want to buy it. We're not buying at 1.604. We're going to buy at a lesser price. We want to buy at a lower price, and then let's say we want to sell immediately. We buy and we sell immediately. That means we'll be needing this. Change our market to limit. Then let's say we want to buy at $1. I'm buying at $1, and I want to sell at take profit at $2, and then my stop loss should be okay. Take profit at $2, right? And then my stop loss should be let's say my stop loss should be $0.8. That's 8 cents, so to say. Okay, then I'm buying, please, I'm not selling. I'm buying, not selling. Okay, I'm buying at 1. I want to take my profit at 2. My stop loss is 0.8. Then I would have to check this depending on what amount of money I want to use. Do I want to use my own all the money I have, whatever quantity it is, whatever quantity of my money it is I intend to use? I could just go right ahead and drag this button to either the extreme. If I intend using 100% of it, so I'm dragging this to the extreme, to the edge, right? So I then come down and then check all this, buy entry order, buy limit at $1, take profits, triggers at $2, stop loss $0.8, size that's 12 serum. I go right ahead and place my buy, okay, place orders. All right, so that's that. So what it means is that if eventually price drops to $1, I'm buying serum, I'm buying feeder. Hypothetically, this is feeder. All right, so if price drops to this point, I'm buying. If it gets to this very place, I'm taking my profit. But then if I purchase at $1, and then instead of it to start going up, it starts dropping. If it gets to 0.8, that's 80. If it gets to 0.8, right, so I'll be kicked out of the market, I'll be taken out of the market. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Okay, that's that for that. I hope it's clear enough. Let me go ahead and cancel this because I do not intend to buy anything right now. Okay, I'm canceling that. I'm canceling all. Okay, I've canceled it. I'm not buying. I do not intend to buy. Okay, remember, like I said, we have to look at what BTC is doing, and then the overall sentiment and all that surrounding the coin. These are things we want to look into before we go ahead and buy. Remember, I can't say this enough. I'm not a financial advisor. I've never taken any course on financial advice. Take everything here as an entertainment. Yeah, as an entertainment. All right, so please guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, share the video, share it to other persons who might be interested. And then if you're looking for a community of cryptocurrency traders where you can hone your skills and then share ideas and opinions with other persons, I have a Telegram signal group where I drop signals on a daily basis, and then I also help people, right, to tell them on the market lookout and other, help them particularly on the area of technical analysis. Okay, I'll be dropping the link, the Telegram link, at the description section of this video. You can kindly subscribe, join us there, and I'll see you in the other episode. Till I come your way again, your man, Mr. Solution.